Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is evaluate minus 2 to the power 8. This minus 2 to the power 8 can be written as minus 1 into 2 to the power 8 because this minus sign is outside there. So this is minus 1 into 2 to the power 8 means we need to multiply these two 8 times. So here it is minus 1 into 2 to the power 8 means this 256. So it is minus 256. Hence minus 2 to the power 8 is minus 256. That is, our answer is minus 256. And from available options, we have option D as minus 256.